Welcome everyone for today's video, and today we're gonna talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana and Quant. I will start with the chart from last week. Ethereum, as you can see, this is a chart from last week. I've drawn out some levels, some possible scenarios, and I will remove the one who are not valid anymore. These two are still valid. Let me see. At this moment, Ethereum tried to push, and hopefully far enough to the to 1420 on the higher time frame. If we manage to break the 1420, then we'll probably see 1607 area. I hope everyone had a wonderful week this week. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What do we see on the 4-hour? We see resistance, around 1336. So that might be a possible rejection. A rejection is also a short to play. Another resistance area around 1372. So I will add some scenarios, possible scenarios. Rejection, pullback, and try to push higher. Again, pullback, and another try to push higher. This one also still valid. Yeah. That should be it. See, still valid. That's Ethereum. Now we're going to Bitcoin. This is also the chart from last week. Everything is still in there, as you can see. All the possible scenarios. I will start cleaning up a bit. Remove those who are not valid anymore. those two scenarios are still valid. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what we can find here. I will add some scenarios. Let's move it up a bit. The volume was pretty bad the last few days. Nothing much happened. At this moment, on the 4-hour time frame, we are at the resistance area. Another resistance area. So what can happen, a rejection, and go back to the start of the impulse. Try to regain. A 4-hour gain. Pull back. And try to push. That might be the new support level if we gain. On the 4-hour time frame, we had a low high, and higher low, another lower high, and another higher low. So it's squeezing, big move expected, yeah. Hopefully this week. From Bitcoin we go to Quant. Yeah, there's the weekly chart. We had a nice gain, the weekly chart, and that's a very, very strong sign. A gain on the weekly chart. Started with a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high on the weekly chart. We gain our drop-off point here, the 150. The drop-off point, the 150, brought us all the way up to the 400 levels for around 425. Yeah, these are the weekly levels. This was the starting point to the all-time high. And here is the weekly gain. Let me remove the gain. I will draw some daily levels. It's raining very hard outside here. So hopefully you guys took some profit with Quant around the 210 level. And let's see where we can hold support. The higher we hold, the better it is. So here are the possible scenarios. I prefer to hold as high as possible. The higher we hold, the better it is. So we either hold around the 144 level on the 4-hour time frame. This is also the 195 level. Seemed to be a rejection. So we probably will try to find support around 144 or 129. And if it's another rejection, then that means a lower high and probably there will be a lower low. Back to the start of the impulse around 100. Here's the very start of the impulse, the 100 levels. So that is the most passive entry and the best RR, of course. This mid aggressive around 129, 144 is the most aggressive one. Yeah, if we manage to hold these tops here, that will be the strongest scenario. And then we will probably see 254. And if we break that, then we will probably see new all-time high in a bear market. And that's very nice. from Quant we go to Solana. I've posted this one on Twitter. For those who are not following me on Twitter, please follow me on Twitter. There's a QR code here on YouTube. You can scan it and then it will send you directly to my Twitter account. Here I will post stuff every day. I will draw some possible scenarios from different coins, stocks, whatever, and I also will update them. So these were the scenarios on Twitter. I will remove those who are not valid anymore. Yeah, it holds the support line area of 26. Very nice. This is still valid. And I will add some new scenarios. First, I will draw some 4-hour levels. So we can update our plan. Let's go back to last year and see what we can find here. Levels are always the same, so we can use those information for now. Yeah. Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel for the weekly updates and smash the like button if you like this content. I will add some new scenarios for Solana. A rejection around the 31 area and go back to the start of the impulse. Rejection of the 31, retest and a push to the 34 area. Again from the drop-off point. The drop-off point is the 31 area. Pull back and a push higher to the 34.50 area. I want to thank you guys for watching this week's video, and please subscribe, smash the like button, and see you all next week.